How to achieve staycation success. Mr. Porter presents the guide to the long weekend. Firstly, a full suitcase only serves to slow you down. A hold-all or weekend bag, hint hint, is small and stylish, yet roomy enough for 3 days' worth of luggage. The long weekend wardrobe should be compact and versatile, but make allowances for a little luxury. Not to mention those all-important home comforts. Nothing sets the day in motion like the ritual of performing your ablutions. And while your typical grooming regimen might be designed with efficiency in mind, the long weekend allows the chance to really take your time. Our advice? Light a candle or two. Instead of a shower, run a bath. And don't plan anything that starts too early in the day. You might be the type of person that likes to seize that extra day off with an invigorating army-style training plan. But really, you needn't be quite so extreme. Whatever you do, remember to stretch correctly and stay hydrated. Far from a chance to switch off, why not use the long weekend as a chance to switch back on again? Free from our daily distractions, it's the perfect moment to give the old grey matter a workout. Stimulate the mind. Unpause the pursuit of knowledge. Or just indulge in a good book. And remember, travel is a state of mind.